Guys, welcome back to my channel Her Pretty Scars, and my name is Muskan, and today we will going to create a corporate makeup look. This look you can wear at the time of your interview and in your office as a daily look, and you can also wear this look if you are a management student while presenting your PPT and Viva. You have to look formal, so this look going to help you. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump into the video. So the first step is use the primer. So I am using Blue Heaven makeup primer. Second step is color corrector. For that I am using Nybae orange color corrector, which is affordable. I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. Shade is Warm Nude 128. For the concealer, I am using Swiss Beauty concealer. It's my favorite and shade is 03. It is really affordable and people should buy it. I am showing you guys a Purplle luminous kajal ultra face palette which consists of three colors. First is blush, second is highlighter, and third is bronzer, which is really affordable and you can use it. Okay, so here I am showing you guys compact and I am using Nybae compact and the shade is 04 honey, and compact is very important. Every girl should have a compact. I am using Blue Heaven eyebrow definer. The shade is grey, which is my favorite. Here I am using Blue Heaven Bold Black Jet Kajal. For the mascara, I am using Blue Heaven Twist Lash Curling Mascara, which is now my favorite. Using Mars eye and lip liners, which are best for bold lips. I am using Blue Heaven Fire Red Lipstick, shade is 04.
Perfect.
So guys, this was the final look and I'm really impressed by this makeup look. I'm loving it. It's totally giving me a boss girl look. I'm loving it. And this look is for the interview management student and the people who go to the office. They can carry this look while they're presenting in their meeting and doing PPTs or giving vivas. They can do this formal makeup look, and please do this look and let me know about it. And I also want your thoughts in this look because I'm really excited to listen about your experience related to this look. And मैं तो कैरी करने वाली हूँ ये लुक को पक्का फॉर श्योर, एंड आप भी करो और मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ. This was it for the today's video. Spread love, peace and happiness. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.